Hi everyone, I'm Phil from Beae team. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to activate 7 days trial so you can extend your public slot and enjoy all the advanced functionality of Beae Page Builder. To get started, head over to Beae Page Builder app in your Shopify dashboard. Select the Plan and Pricing tab. In here, you can see all the detail of every plan that we offer. After deciding the plan that you want to go with, click Upgrade. Hit Confirm Detail. Then enter a discount code which I will put on the screen, and you can copy it in the description of this video as well. Or you can manually type in discount_for_trial and hit apply. You're good when you see the text plus 7 days trial appears. After that, click Start Plan, and Shopify will take you to the approved subscription page. In here, you can choose your preferred payment method. You can go with either credit card or PayPal. For this tutorial, I will go with PayPal. When you're done, the Approve button will light up, and you can click it to continue. Congratulations! You have successfully activated the free trial. Now you can see the slot usage has been updated. And if you go to Plan and Pricing again, you can see your current plan is now not free plan anymore. Another way you can access the free trial without manually type in the discount code is go to a page built with Beae. In the Beae Editor, on the top left corner, you will see the Start 7 days trial button. Click that and upgrade as we did before. Hit Confirm Detail, and the discount code will automatically appear. All you need to do is to hit Apply and continue the process. If you want to see your billing information, you can go to Setting, choose Billing. In here you can see all the detail. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.